Welcome to day 5, the Buns. It's how to play hot cross buns on tuba. The fingering for tuba, trumpet, baritone is all the same. It's 1 and 2, 1 and 3, open. 1 and 2, 1 and 3, open. So watch and play along with hot cross buns. And if you can't play everything, just focus on the buns. Hot cross play. Hot cross play. And play the open note. That's what you should aim for first. One note. The buns. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four.